This budget is a transformative budget for the state of Connecticut because for the first time we are taking on the two biggest drags on our economy, the property tax and our transportation system. Residents of the state of Connecticut, working families throughout our state, by this time next year, 13 months from now, are going to see a reduction in their property taxes on both their real estate tax bills and their car tax bills.
The key takeaway for this, for me and for my community, is that this budget and SB 1 will provide real, tangible relief to real middle-class people. And that's tremendously important because the regressivity of the current property tax system, which goes back decades, is outdated for our current needs. And this bill is a very strong step in the right direction by this legislature and by this governor to ease the burden on real working people.
It is true that those who make over $500,000 or $1 million a year, those who run large corporations, have a large voice and have tremendous influence. But we need to keep in mind the voices of the thousands of people in my city who work hard every day and pay the true crushing tax burden in our state. It is not the wealthiest in our state who are being crippled by taxes. It is the urban working poor who pay outrageous car taxes, who pay higher mill rates on their property taxes, and work harder and harder each year to get by with less and less. This is not a sustainable course for our state, and it is certainly not a sustainable course for the City of New London.
This is a great budget. This is a transformational budget. It's a budget that doubles down and makes sure that we are addressing the key issues that affect our economic vitality in the state.